things manually? Yeah, we thought so.
Meet JSX Runner AI,
Your new AI-powered brain inside After Effects. Just describe what you want, and A writes a script for you.
no Googling, no crying, just click and boom.
Not happy? Tell AI to redo it like a boss.
Edit, theme it, find it, place it.
This is a real editor, not a toy.
Everything you run is saved.
Right in seconds. Run in one click.
Finish before your coffee gets cold.
JSX Runner AI, because your brain deserves a co-pilot. Work smarter, let A sweat, you just look cool.